beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be turning David into a zombie. If you guys want to keep watching and see the transformation, then just stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to start off by moisturizing his face because he's a little dry, and you know.
Wait, just let me clarify real quick.
What?
It's Halloween, so it's...
Yes, it's Halloween makeup, but you always want to prime your skin whenever you're applying makeup. It doesn't matter if you're doing a Halloween look or a girl look or a zombie look. It doesn't really matter. You just need to have your face moisturized, okay?
But you're not going to make me look like a girl, right?
No. Okay, so once I have his face moisturized, so as you guys may know, zombies, they're paled as fuck. So I'm going to take a concealer.
Yo, hold on.
Hey, you're not going to question my makeup skills, boo.
Alright guys, it's for Halloween. It's not...
This is like a Halloween tutorial, babe. I'm not trying to make you look cute as fuck.
Nah, because I would not do that. If it's for Halloween, it's for Halloween.
If you guys have gone to Universal Studios Horror Nights, you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm going to turn into those zombies.
Just do it then. Go.
Okay. So
and if you're watching this...
You guys better subscribe and support.
I don't wear makeup, so it's for Halloween.
You already know. Okay, so we're going to apply this concealer everywhere.
Oh, man.
We are really just trying to make him look pale like a zombie.
Ooh, this stuff smells. Bro, I look like fucking Apocalypto Warrior.
Okay, so with a flat brush, I'm just going to blend all of this in. So we're just gonna blend in this all over his face. Oh, this.
Bro, I look hella white.
Babe, zombies are really white. Have you not watched The Walking Dead?
Dude, this stuff really smells though. This stuff comes off?
Yes, it's concealer.
What
are you again questioning me? Okay, so Halloween makeup doesn't have to be perfect as long as you know what you're doing and you're going for that look.
Bro.
We have that ghost face going on. We're going to be using our James Charles palette just because it's really colorful and you can get a lot of details with this. So going on with the little...
Wait, what are we doing?
Turning you into a zombie, babe.
I see a lot of colors that you wear all the time.
Okay, so zombies have like around the eyes, they're like black, reddish. So I'm gonna go in with the red and then go in with the black. So with this red color, I am gonna blend that all over his eyes. Your eyes?
It has to be a circle, right?
Babe, why are you questioning my makeup? Seriously, you're pissing me off.
I'm sorry. It just feels weird, bro.
Okay. Okay, so now going in with a different brush, we're going to be going in with the black.
Do I look like a zombie?
Not yet. So with the black, we're going to go under his eyes. Open it. Open your...
Ugh.
Babe.
Bro, you like poking my eye.
No, no.
Oh my god.
Babe, I'm turning you into a zombie. Stop. Okay, so now we're gonna really outline his cheekbones. Can you do a fish face?
What the hell is it?
Go like this. We're gonna do like a gunshot here.
That's a gunshot?
Well, I'm gonna fix it right now.
You're having fun, huh?
Very much. Can you tell? So now with the brown shadow, we're gonna emphasize that and blend in this line. Okay, so we're really just trying to bring out his cheekbones and just blending it in. Oh, I love you. You're really letting me do your makeup for my YouTube channel. I got you, babe. You're gonna be looking like a zombie. Are you gonna go to Costco like that?
Hell no. Question.
Yeah.
How do you know when you're done?
Oh, you'll know. Can you see? Okay. So if you guys know, zombies have like bruises, like moretes and shit. So we're adding the green to give him that morete life.
So I'm a zombie that got fucked up.
Well, baby, zombies usually have like bruises in their faces.
Not this zombie.
Oh. With a purple, we're gonna start to draw bruises around his face.
I better be a dope ass zombie.
Let me see.
Oh shit, I look ugly as fuck. Definition of dead.
I'm just gonna add black around the mouth so we can make it look like he don't have bones or anything. I'm about to add some 3D shit right now. You don't even know how good I am at makeup. Well, right now I'm just adding the black around his mouth because if you guys have seen a zombie, they usually like don't even have like mouth section. It's like just wait for it, guys. I know it's looking crazy, but you just gotta wait for it. And I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush like this. Let me zoom it out. So with this fluffy brush, I'm just gonna start painting his face whiter. Going in with this color right here. Let's add some purple here. And some dark burgundy. Okay, so going in with this, I'm gonna like take out the little cotton. Okay, cotton, and I'm gonna stick this to his face. I'm gonna be using some eyelash glue to stick this in.
Oh, what the fuck?
So we're gonna go around the bullet. So before I stick it on his face, I dipped it in black and red. It's a bullet, babe. And I'm gonna put red in there. Okay. How is that looking?
That shit looks legit.
Okay, so going in with the lipstick. This is a red lipstick. We're gonna act like this is the blood. Okay, so we're gonna add blood all over his mouth too.
Doesn't matter.
So if I'm not talking, it's because I'm really into like turning him into a zombie. Okay, so we're gonna add another wound around his mouth right here. So is anybody ready for Halloween besides David? So we're gonna go in with this brown right here. Paint the cotton. Okay, we are almost done. So going in with a white concealer, I'm gonna just kind of act like we can see his bones. Yes, details. A ver, voltate. We're just gonna add blood in the second wound he has here. A ver, go back. Ooh, yeah. Dang, babe, you a zombie.
That shit looks sick though, like the gunshot.
I'm just gonna put more white on him. Well, I think the last step would just be his lips need to be dark. We're just gonna put them. Bang! See, it like brings you more to like a zombie mode.
This has been healthy.
Yes. It's...
Can I like swallow this?
Okay, so I think we are done. Oh, this looks so cool. Okay, let me. Okay, guys, we are done with this tutorial.
Yo, this shit look crazy though.
So let's zoom into the details. We have a gunshot there with blood. We have another one right here. Dang. So this is my zombie. Did you like the makeup? Do you feel like a zombie?
It's crazy though.
Go like...
I don't know. Nice. I trip out on that bullet wound though. Looks pretty sick.
Have you guys ever even seen like a zombie with like perfect hair?
Oh yeah, I just got my cut.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Comment down below if you guys liked it, and make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Dang.
Bye guys.